What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're here at Nissfest and we're gonna go ahead and ask people trivia questions. I'm here with BeDistinct.
Hey, what up, guys? It's BeDistinct here. Like he said, we're here at Nissfest and it's about to go down right now.
We're gonna go ahead and ask people trivia questions on G's and Z's and let's see if they know the answers to them. All right, we're here with
Junior.
Hey, brothers, I'm here with
Daniel.
My name's Dylan.
Eddie.
So we're gonna be asking you 3 questions. Each one's gonna get more difficult. If you can answer them all right, you'll get 20 bucks out of pocket for myself. Good for that?
Yes, sir. Let's get it. Let's get it.
All right, perfect.
We're gonna start off easy, a little warm up. What engine does the G37 have?
VQ37.
Okay, There you go, there you go. That's what I was looking for. There you got me nervous, bro. I was like, damn.
First question is gonna be really easy. What's the recommended oil for the G35?
5W30.
Yeah.
What type of oil does the G37 use?
5W30.
All right. We're at a good start. Here we go.
What's the recommended oil for the G35?
It is 5W30.
Yeah?
Medium question. What year did the G37 name change to Q60 while keeping everything on the car the same?
2014.
2014. We are 2 for 2, guys. If he gets his last question right, he gets $20. Here we go.
What year did the rev-up engine become standard on the manual G35s?
06.
05. Yeah.
What year did the G37 Sedan first come out in?
2009.
He got it. 2009, 2 for 2, baby.
What year did the rev-up engine become standard on the manual G35s?
That is 2004.
2005.
I
Yeah.
have a 2005. That's
Oh, shoot.
If he gets his last question right, he gets $20. Here we go. Here's the hard one. What differential final drive does a 2013 manual G37 convertible have?
I want to say 3.6.
Ah, dude, you were so close. It was 3.916.
All right, so this one's gonna be a hard one. What year did the G35 Coupe headlights go from reflectors to projectors?
I'm going to go with 06 again.
06. Yeah, you got 2 out of 3, bro.
What differential final drive does a 2013 manual G37 convertible have?
I think it's a 3.69.
Oh, dude, I'm sorry. It was a 3. Yeah, damn, he got it. He knew it, but all right. Well, Joe saves himself 20 bucks. 2 out of 3, not bad. Let's move on.
You still want to keep playing?
Yeah, I'll keep playing.
Last question is going to be a hard one. What year did the G35 Coupe headlights go from reflectors to projectors?
2006.
2006. So you got 2 out of 3. If you had gotten in that one, you would have 20 bucks.
Give me one more chance.
All right, you know what? Since it's the end of the video, I'll give you one more chance. Let's go ahead and ask one more question. What's the differential final drive on a manual 2004 G35 Coupe?
I think it was a 3.41.
Oh, so close. 3.5.
3.5. Damn.
Unlucky, bro. Thank you for playing. Appreciate it.
All right, we're gonna do one more question. We really want to give out these $20. How much horsepower to the crank does the G37 IPL version make?
That one, I believe it's 3 to the crank. I believe it's going to be 329.
Sorry, guys. The answer was 348 horsepower to the crank. One more question. All right, we really want to give you those $20. Here we go. Simple. We'll give it to you. What year did the G37 Sedan first come out in?
Came out in 2009.
Bingo, baby. We got it. Let's go. We got ourselves a winner. Let's go.
Follow the team Nissanity, please, and make sure you guys like, subscribe to these guys too as well.
Here you go, brother. Congratulations. Get yourself a nice dinner. Likewise. Thank you, guys.
All right, guys, so that is it for the video. Thank you to BeDistinct for coming out, helping us out with this trivia question. Make sure to subscribe to his channel. Check out all his socials.
Hey, follow Joe Vazquez. You already know the drill, man. That should be rule number 1. But thank you for having me on the channel. It's always a fun time getting to meet other creators. He's a good friend of mine that blew my hood. Nah, just kidding.
I was about to say that.
Nah, just kidding, guys. It was my fault. I blew it twice. But anyway, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for having me. It was a blessing, man. Thank you.
All right, peace out, guys.
Thank you.